Hello, students. Today we are discussion about non-rapid. This is the Puritan group of rapid. John Henry Clark said, "It is impossible to practice homeopathy. It should be practiced without the aid of remedy, and the best remedy is the flesh. Always refer remedy during or after treatment. It's a very important tool. Physicians who master use of remedy usually makes most rapid survival. Our point is non-repetitive. Non-repetitive is very important. Different type of repetitive. Now, the simulum is the goal of every homeopathy. In every case, the entire gamut of activities, case taking, symptoms analysis, repertorial totality, repertorial analysis totally devoted to find the similitude. Each master had to own way of going to Dr. Kent went for mental and general, always prefer the mental general, and Bani Hussein gives the doctrine of analog, grand generalization, completions of symptoms. This is a way to find out the simile. Repetitive hearing guiding symptoms of our maternity. This is a Puritan group of repetitive by Clevin Binder, MD. Publications year 1896. Number of remedies 408, and drug relationship have 394 remedies. Out of 415 remedies, under 10 remedies, no observations given, and 11 remedies, only cross references given. So, excluding this 394 is the grand total remedy in the chapter. Dr. Clement Binder, a pupil of hearing, is relative of hearing, compiled the repertoire from hearing guiding symptoms of our mathematics in the 1869. It is a bulky volume that has been characterized and not being useful in everyday study. What valuable as a reference repertoire for deeper comparative research? This repertoire was the first published by F. A. Davis and Company in 1230 pages. Always remember, inner arm always follow the hearing ID. As the name suggests, the main source of this repertoire is the hearing mathematics, as the was a literary work executed along with Dr. Charles Dehu and Dr. Charles Bohr. Is compiling hearing guiding symptoms of our Mathematica. He realized that immediate demand for a repertoire to guiding symptoms of our Mathematica. Dr. Knorr spent 5 years in the preparation of this volume. While comparing with the hearing guiding symptoms, the remedies which are missing in nerve repertoire are citrus, durgis, iodoform, uva auris, eugenia gem. Now the remedies that are present in nerve repertoire but missing in hearing guiding symptoms: anoretum, polyporus officinalis, Colotus laris, Agaricus laris, castorum, Becovertum, Tritia officinalis, Corbium, hydrocotyle, or Ilium anisetum. This remedy is very important. All the cross references are there. While the comparing the hearing ID symptoms, these are not found out. So this is the remedies are. Now always every repertoire has grading. On gradation give the remedy. Four gradation are given the null repeat. Single light is the lowest occasionally confirmed symptom. Double light frequently confirmed, or if not once confirmed, strictly in character with the genius of the remedy. Single heavy line symptoms verified by cure. Double heavy line symptoms repeated verified. Five other symbols are given in this repertory, that is theta, perpendicular three dotted, pi, toxicological extract, and direction of hand is the reference of related symptoms. Theta is the indicated pathological and physiological term for the purpose of synchronizing the space they have given in the parasympathesis in the repertory. Example, hysterical paraplegia, upper limb, page number 927. Cerebrospinal meningitis, nervous, 1030. Laryngitis, voice, and 710 in the page number. Spasmodic stricture of esophagus, mind, and is mentioned in page number 71. Insanity, brain fag, pneumonia, and diphtheria metis is the page number 820 and 820. Vipera bite, chorea, coric rheumatism, asthma, epileptic, keratitis, pustulosa, eyes disease are mentioned 177 pages. Very important, and this is also theta indicated. This is a pathological indicated rubric. Now, next, chorea, dysphasia, varicosa, syphilis, diabetes, icterus, anemia, all the rubrics within the bracket. This is the indicator theta. Now, this is the three dotted perpendicular dotted line taken from the old school, such a harmonious our law of cure. This is the nose, ozona. This is the old terminology, nose. Chromium aceticum. Inner head, Caribbean, sulfuric acid. Mind and disposition, delirium fever, chorea, page number 31. Female sexual organ, licuria, calcareous self, page number 646. Female sexual organ, menses, insanity, Param iodum, page number 654. Scorbulicum and stomach dysphasia is equisetum 460, and also palladium 463. Skin eruptions, herpes, amusina, hypoxenium, and magnesium 1160 pages. But as mentioned, perpendicular dotted line, old school mention are their indication. Now their indications are pi. This is pi indication. Symptoms observed in only the sick. This is symptom observation in sick only. This is the nose tinnitus, hypochondria, fever pain, fever, sweat, calm. This is indicated in pi, and after the medicine, the causticum, page number 1111. This is the first symbol indication pi. Now second is toxicology T. This is the indication T. This is a toxicology extract. Example abdomen omentum. This is a T. Brighta mule, page number 500. And now this is the hand indication. Hand direction cross references to related symptoms, disease, and conditions. These are given at the end of rubric and sub-rubric with remedies. If no drugs are this mean, immediately after the rubric, it can be seen hand direction is a tongue and taste mentioned in 346 page number. Score volume and stomach, the fullness and pressure, page number 460. This is hand directions cross references to related symptoms, disease, and conditions. These are given at the end of rubric and sub-rubrics with remedy. If no drugs are these mean, immediately after the rubric, it can be seen. Example, throat diphtheria, which says pharynx and uvula execute. Mind and disposition, rigidity, delirium, page number 47. Mind and disposition, fear of misfortune happen. 46 page number. Construction and arrangement of repertory. This is a very important repertory. You must be refer regularly. The page is chapter 48, including direct relationship. The order of arrangement of a method of classification followed in the compliance of the repertory is on inaugurated by Dr. Henneman. Developed, perfected, and used by Dr. Herring throughout his entire mathematical work in anatomical, organ-wise, or regional division. 34th chapter out of 48 arrangement, organ-wise like animal, system, and other chapter represent reaction of whole body, mind, sensorium, inner head, outer head exhibited the arrangement of animal. Now other systematic arrangement, this organ-wise classification follows an above downward from inside outward functional system first then organic conditions, first the part then the whole body. Each chapter is then alphabetically divided into section and rubric sufficient to allow full scope for analysis of symptoms without destroying consistency as a whole. Example in the chapter 3, the inner head section of word section 9, apoplexy, brain, forehead, head, headache, occiput, parietal, temples, vertex. Under each section, word is repeated before each rubric, which is printed in somewhat bolder and blocker style and followed by colon. Apoplexy chest, apoplexy constipation, apoplexy in drunkards, apoplexy after eating. This is a very beautiful systematic arrangement. The 47th chapter, including direct relationship 48. This is anatomic systematic arrangement. Mind and disposition, sensorium, inner head, outer head, eyes, ear, nose, and all the systematic arrangement anatomically. This is 48 chapter, including that relationship. Each chapter is divided into sections which are given alphabetically. Example, chapter 4, outer head has 9 sections as dandruff, eruptions, frontalis, forehead, hair, head, skull, and tumor. On close observation, one may see that symptoms under each rubric and sub-rubric also follow an alphabetical order. The sub-rubrics are given in some words as expressed by provers or patient. So, for the sake of alphabetical arrangement, the expression of provers and patients are not multitude, but the keywords of sub-rubrics are given alphabetically. The word such as right and left, worse and better to avoid possible errors are printed out in full. The repetitive page are divided into 2 columns where rubrics are explained according to patient language. Section, sections word is repeated before each rubric. Example dandruff, alternating with dandruff, copious etc. The rubric word is printed in bolder and blockers type of followed by a colon which apply each symptom. This repertoire is mainly based on concomitant symptoms. It is a repertoire of cured symptoms. This repertoire is supplemented by complete index of local terms. This repertoire including symptoms and remedies from clinical proving toxicological pathogenesis. Thus, the repertoires can be used as clinical repertoire where pathological and diagnostic names are given in the fullest. This is very important. They explain very widely the pathologically rubric. This is also used very clinically and acute conditions also. This repertoire is based on symptoms in the original form which mean as told by provers and patient and as reported by physician. Although it mixes pathogenic and clinical data, it consists several rubrics that cannot be found anywhere else. All the rubrics are very enthusiastic as it is directly taken from hearing guiding symptoms. One can make additions to nerve repertory wherever justified. Aversion to amusement, aversion to children. This is very important. Aversion to amusement, ignition. Aversion to her children's, this is retina. The reliability of the symptoms and remedies is double ensured by repeated verification, observation, and confirmation. This is also rubrical confirmation. It compares the Canterbury rubric basins is more appropriate in nerve repair. Error in converting the patient symptoms into rubrics can be avoided by using this. It's very important. Do not convert into rubric. It is a patient language. Today's repertoire is like a guide of further work, particularly some cases. Page number 1161. Now, every science is on limitation, but every book has on limitation. It's have also limitation. As the rubrics are given continuously with a double column arrangement in page loop comes and so very difficult to find the sub rubric also. Most of sub rubric have one or two remedies which will not be useful in repertoire. As there is a no grading mark, this repertoire is not useful in actual mathematical repertoire has a less number of mixtures and need a upgradation. Thanks. So, dear students, always use written type of repertoire. There is two repertoire. They have discussion, the repertoire and also gentry repetition in volume. Now, this is your way to find out the minimum by the written of repertoire. Okay. Thank you.